Welcome to this course on Data Analytics Foundation by EXIN. So this is presented by One Word Training in partnership with EXIN Data Analytics Foundation. So in this course, we will analyze what are the requirements of EXIN Data Analytics Foundation course. And this course is basically provided in association with EXIN. So talking about One Word Training is a global training organization, basically which provides business simulations and trainings across the world. So One Word Training have offices in US, UK, Netherlands, India, Malaysia, UAE, South Africa, and many other countries across the world. So One Word Training basically provide training in IT, project management, ISO, GDPR, and there is more than 150 plus training offerings for individuals and organizations as part of One Word Training. So One Word Training, as we say, provide these trainings in 5 different ways. They carry out public classroom-based training. They also carry out online, at home, or at work training, and there is a e-learning and a blended approach of the self-paced and e-learning as well. And additionally, One World Training provide trainings in-person support as well. So One World Training have various ways of delivering these training programs. So One World Training is an authorized training center, and it is basically endorsed by leading global professional bodies. So these are the list of few of the bodies which have association with One World Training. So One World Training is an accredited training and examination organization by EXIN. As I say, welcome to this basic training material. We call that as a BTM, and this material is all about the perspective of Data Analytics Foundation. So this material will provide the details of how we can prepare ourselves better for this certification on Data Analytics Foundation. Uh, so. Uh, for being associated with the with basic training material, this basically will provide you all the exam related specifications, and it will also cover the basic concepts which are required for clearing this module or this exam, which is more of a foundational approach for data analytics. So, as a good practice, organization or One World Training basically will go through these information in detail in next coming slides. So, talking about the overall training schedule. So, as part of this training, this online session, we will try to cover the following aspects. So we will focus on how turning of data can be managed and how data can be turned into insights. So data in itself cannot do any magic until unless the insights are not derived out of it, right? So as part of this training schedule, we will talk and discuss about how the insights can be derived from the perspective of data which is analyzed by various tools. Also, we will discuss about how the approach of collecting, organizing, and managing the data can be handled. In this training, we'll also discuss about the elements of cleaning, how we can clean the data, what is the way, what are the methodologies which can be used for cleaning the data. Analyzing data will also be discussed in detail as part of this training session. At the end, the last topic for this training, which is required for Data Analytics Foundation, we will try to cover how you can visualize the data in forms of various graphs. They can be, pie charts, they can be bar charts, they can be histograms. So we'll talk and discuss about it in detail as a part of visualization process. And these are the five main topics which will be required to study as part of this certification course. And we will see in the next subsequent slide how these uh, topics will be covered, to what level of depth these topics will be covered, and what is the overall weightage for the exam. So talking about the course objective and target audience, so this EXIN Data Foundation certification is created for professionals who are looking for the role, in the domain of data analytics, right? Where people are interested in analyzing data as part of their core responsibility. And this course is basically targeted for set of people who are working in below roles, right? So people can be working either in data or information analytics role. So this can be a good foundation course for them. Individuals who have the background of business intelligence and analytics, they can also be participant of this course, and it can be of value add to them as well. Data administrators and information managers, for sure, can also be the participants of this course. And the data managers, from the perspective that what is the overall flow of managing a data project, can also explore this course. Data scientist, for sure, for those set of people, it would be rather the most preliminary or foundation course, because they know data analytics way in advance, which is discussed as part of this course. So that's in a nutshell about the course objective and target group for this certification. Also, as we say, not only the people who we discussed in the earlier slide, this certification can be a great starting point for some of those professionals who are into operations and who are into any kind of management function wherein they deal with lots and lots of data. So those roles, who can be who can get benefit from this certification, they can be either the marketing or media specialist, they can be the search analyst, they can be the department managers, uh, they can be the business analyst or financial professionals. These people can also think of exploring this certification as part of their journey. So the basic requirements for the certification uh, is uh, uh, is basically you need to have this training completed, right? So after completion of this training, after successful completion of this training, you certainly can appear for EXIN Data Analytics Foundation exam, and you will be equipped to manage some of those perspective. So the information which is shared in this course or in this module can certainly help you be better prepared for appearing for the foundation level certification in data analytics. So, talking about the basic concepts, we will basically list down some of those concepts as part of this training. And also, as we say, this training is more of an indicative training which help or which can certainly help students to be better prepared. If you want to do a deep dive research for your professional understanding or for your greater career enhancement, you can certainly carry out that research as well.